There's something special about a beloved car. It's more than just a machine. It's more than the sum of its parts. It's a sensory experience that can't be put into words. It's a connection that's hard to understand unless you've felt it for yourself. At Bauer Artwork, we understand the significance of this bond. We know that your car is more than just a vehicle. It's a reflection of who you are, an extension of you. Our art is a tribute to the bond between man and machine, a celebration of the memories and experiences that you share, or a memorable moment that never was. Whatever inspires you, let us illustrate the story only you can tell. Bauer Artwork. Personal, automotive stories.